Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best DIY night light is probably one of the most exciting and rewarding projects you can undertake for your little ones, transforming a simple concept into a personalized beacon of comfort and creativity that will illuminate their room with a warm glow and a touch of their own unique personality, making bedtime a little less scary and a lot more magical. Number 5. Paint Your Own Soccer Ball Lamp Kit. Introducing the Paint Your Own Soccer Ball Lamp Kit, a fun and creative way for kids to design their own unique night light. It's the perfect blend of art and sport for young creators. This complete set includes a blank soccer ball lamp, a wood base, 12 vibrant paint pots, over 20 glow-in-the-dark stickers, and easy-to-follow instructions. Everything is provided for hours of hands-on fun. Let your imagination run wild as you paint and decorate your soccer ball lamp. Create classic designs or go wild with unique patterns. It's perfect for personalizing their room or as a centerpiece for parties. Our art supplies are safe and eco-friendly, ensuring a delightful painting experience for children. It's a wonderful activity for parents and kids to enjoy together, strengthening bonds. This kit helps develop fine motor skills, sparks imagination, and builds self-confidence. Kids can proudly display their glowing masterpiece, especially with the World Cup 2026 season approaching. Looking for the perfect gift for sports-loving kids? This soccer lamp kit is an ideal present for birthdays, holidays, or any occasion. It's a fantastic way to combine their love for sports and crafting. What we like? This kit comes with everything you need to get started, including paints and glow-in-the-dark stickers. If you're looking for a comprehensive craft experience that allows for complete personalization, this is the one. It's perfect for kids who love soccer and want to create a unique, glowing room decoration. What people say. The light is very bright and the colors are vibrant. The design is very cute and the kids love it. It is easy to assemble and use. Number 4. DIY Heart Puzzle Night Light Kit. Ignite imagination with this unique heart-shaped 3D lantern kit. It's the perfect way for kids to build and decorate their very own glowing night light. This interactive project features easy-to-assemble panels and safe LED lights. Kids can follow simple steps to create a stunning piece of room decor. Crafted with child-safe materials and clear, illustrated instructions, this kit requires no extra tools. It's designed for independent fun or family crafting time. Looking for a special gift? This kit is ideal for birthdays, holidays, or any occasion for girls aged 8 to 12. It encourages screen-free, mindful creativity. Once assembled, it transforms into a beautiful night light with a soft, calming USB-powered LED glow. It adds a charming touch to any bedroom or playroom. This isn't just an arts and crafts set, it's a confidence builder and a source of personalized decor. It results in a unique, functional piece they'll be proud of. What we like? This offers a charming heart-shaped design that's easy for kids to assemble. If you're looking for a sweet and simple DIY project that results in a lovely, USB-powered night light, this is a great choice. It's ideal for girls who enjoy crafting and want to add a personal touch to their room decor. What people say. This is a great kit for kids to make their own night light. It's easy to assemble and the finished product looks really cool. My son loved being able to customize his own night light. Number 3. RONSTONE Dinosaur Terrarium Kit. Bring the world of dinosaurs to life with this exciting DIY terrarium kit. It's a perfect blend of creativity and prehistoric adventure for kids. With colorful moss, rocks, and realistic figures, children can construct their own magical mini jungle. It's a hands-on way to explore their imagination. This kit features enchanting 13-color LED lights, transforming any room into a glowing dinosaur wonderland. It's perfect for bedtime stories or nighttime comfort. Crafted from high-quality, non-toxic materials, it ensures safe and enjoyable playtime. Spend quality time creating something amazing together. Looking for a unique gift? This terrarium kit is an ideal choice for birthdays or Christmas. It's a delightful surprise for any young dinosaur enthusiast. Simply assemble the components, add the lights, and watch their creation come alive. It's an engaging activity that sparks joy and creativity. What we like? This kit combines dinosaurs with a buildable terrarium, featuring a remote-controlled 13-color LED light. If your child is obsessed with dinosaurs and loves creating miniature worlds, this is the perfect gift. It's ideal for younger boys and girls aged 5 to 7 who want an interactive and glowing prehistoric adventure. What people say. The light is bright and the colors are vibrant. It's easy to assemble and the instructions are clear. My son loves the different light settings and the ability to customize the colors. Number 2. 2 Peepers DIY Sports Lantern Jar Craft Kit. Get ready for a magical sports-themed craft experience. This DIY kit is perfect for boys and girls who love sports and creativity. With everything you need included, you can easily create a unique lantern. Choose from football, soccer, basketball, tennis, and baseball designs. This kit is designed for kids aged 4 to 12, making it a fantastic activity for developing creativity and imagination. It's also a great gift idea. Inside the box, you'll find all the supplies: a jar, LED lights, sports beads, stickers, glitter, glue, and more. Let your imagination run wild. Once completed, this lantern becomes a beautiful decoration for any room. It's a fun and rewarding project that brings smiles and satisfaction. We promise to provide high-quality products and excellent customer service. We're here to help if you have any issues. What we like. This kit provides a variety of sports themes and includes a jar with a handle, making it a versatile craft. If you want a project that offers multiple sports options and is easy to hang or carry, consider this. It's great for kids aged 4 to 12 who enjoy sports and want to create a fun, personalized lantern. What people say. The light is very bright and illuminates the entire room. It has a unique design that my son loves. Easy to assemble and use, even for young children. Number 1. Purple Ladybug Prismic Star Lantern Craft Kit. Unleash your creativity with this unique craft kit. You can build a beautiful 3D star lantern that will light up any room. Assembly is a breeze with our clear, illustrated instructions and optional video tutorial. No complicated steps, just pure crafting enjoyment. It features energy-efficient LED lights that provide a soft, vibrant glow. Simply plug it in via USB for instant illumination, no batteries needed. Looking for a unique gift? This DIY light-up star encourages hands-on engagement and personalized design, making it ideal for all ages. Made from durable plastic, this lantern is perfect for hanging, tabletop display, or even as a tree topper. Its prismatic finish creates a stunning ambient effect. The kit comes with all the geometric panels, fastener pins, hanging hook, and USB-powered LED lights you need to get started right away. What we like. This features a dazzling 3D star shape with prismatic panels that create beautiful light reflections. If you're looking for a visually stunning and modern-looking night light that's also USB-powered, this is an excellent option. It's perfect for teens and tweens who appreciate unique decor and a sophisticated glow. What people say. This is a fun and easy craft kit that kids will love. The night light is well made and durable, and it looks great in my son's room. My son had a blast making his own night light, and he's so proud of his creation. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.